Hey everyone! So it's me again, Joey, and today we're going to do a very special unboxing of something that isn't related to tech, but it's related to one of the most talked about movies, one of the most recent ones that recently came out from the Marvel and non-DC universe. So Marvel and DC have been at it for quite a while now, but I think in the Marvel versus DC game, Marvel is currently winning by quite a mile. And so a lot of the merchandise and a lot of the tie-ups happening worldwide are in Marvel's favor. Today what we have is a collaboration between Puma and Marvel's Black Panther. So without further ado, let me show you the box. Okay, so this is one of two shoe models that Puma has in collaboration with Marvel's Black Panther. So the one I have with me is the Puma Tsugi Blaze. Okay, so the other one is the Mostro Mid. Okay, so there are only 300 pairs of this one, and there's 100 pairs of the other one. But even if you are able to get one of these, it's not going to cost that cheap because of the limited stock availability. Okay, so this one, if you did win the raffle, it's going to cost you about $150, and if you won the other one, it's going to cost you about $180. But right now it's going for about $200 to $400 depending on your size. But I know you're not there to talk about, you're not here to talk about how much it is, but to see how it really looks like, because there's not so much videos or actual pictures available for this one yet, and I hope that this one gives you a better look, a closer real life look of the shoe itself, and I hope you really like it. So let's open this up. So the box doesn't tell much about the product except that it's the Bait X Marvel X Puma Men Tsugi Blaze Black Panther shoes. So I got the size 8.5 because I'm a size 8.5, and I did not get a 0.5 higher. Because they said that this one is just pretty snug, and you don't need the extra wiggle room, given that of course it is a big shoe and it's quite heavy, so the extra space around your shoe is going to leave it weighing your foot down. Okay, so oh, there we go. Okay, so what I forgot to mention is that this shoe also comes with a reprint of the first ever edition of the Black Panther comics. So this was the edition, or this was the comics rather, where Black Panther was introduced in the Marvel universe. Okay, so while this is not a first print copy, this is going to be a collector's item down the road if you do keep it. So make sure that you do get to protect this one in a very nice case if you do get to decide to buy one. Alright, so now to get on with the shoes. Okay, there we go. So there's both shoes. Let's see if there's anything else inside. Let's just put this aside for now. Okay, so you do get an extra pair of lace. So it's very reminiscent of Black Panther. So that design is really cool, but I think I'll stick with the black plain one because I do prefer a more stealthy look. Okay, so this is the shoe itself. Okay, so the material is quite thick. It's very reminiscent of Flyknit, although it's much thicker, maybe closer to Prime Knit. So I do hope that it feels good when I do wear it on. But it's very thick, so I'm very hopeful about it. Okay, so you get a nice garter feel here, get a nice garter support here. It's quite thick. This material is like fall leather. Okay, so I'm not sure if that's real leather. Okay, you get some fabric over here. Okay, the feel of the laces are also quite good. Okay, so just to give you a much closer look, so there it is. It looks really good. Okay, so the laces are pretty good, so they look really cool. There's a Bait logo there, there's the Puma logo there, there's an Ignite word over here, so there's not much other colors there except underneath the sole it's red. So there's a patterned layer over here to balance off when it hits the ground. So it's kind of thick and it's a bit sturdy, so I don't think it's going to be bouncy or reactive like the React or the Boost. So I think it's more really for fashion and for maybe walking rather than for hardcore activities. But I do think that this is going to give you some really nice comfort. So given that the material is looks really promising and quite sturdy, so there's some nice rubber underneath. So this rubber is separate from this really thick one from Puma's Tsugi Blaze series. Okay, so there's some pattern over this side. It looks really breathable, so there's bigger air holes over here. Okay, so yeah, it looks really promising. It looks really nice. I really like it. Okay, I just hope that they're easy to walk around with and comfy. So there's not much flex, so it's supposed to be. So let me just show you the left foot as well. Okay, so there you go. Okay, alright, so here it is on my foot. It's got a really nice feel. So there's a bit of wiggle room, even if it's true to size, but I would still prefer a size 9 to see more comfort. But it's a very comfortable shoe. So I tried walking on it already, and there's not so much bounce, although they're very comfortable to walk on. So this rubber is it's pretty tough. I just think that it's not made for running. It's more for fashion, for style. Of course, it's also limited edition, so I don't think you'd want to wear this one out. But I'm really loving the all black look. I'm really loving the material over here. So it's really nice feel. Okay, so you might want to protect it with some crepe. Okay, so that it doesn't get dirty. Okay, I think the breathability also is also going to be quite good. There's nice airflow here. I can feel the cold seeping in. So let's check out the other foot. Okay. Yeah. So there you have it. Those are my first impressions and first thoughts on the shoe. I do want to spend some more time with the Blaze, and I really want to get a feel of it outside the condo and outside my place, just to see how it really feels and performs after a whole day of use. And maybe I'll do another video just to get back to you guys on how I really feel about it, just more than just the 5 minutes that I did put it on. So I hope you click like, and I hope you subscribe just to watch out for the next video that's coming on my thoughts and impressions of the shoe after wearing it for a whole day.